no lo asustes, no lo asustes tampoco.
Ahí va, güey, ahí va.
Hey guys, Reno here. So for today's recovery, we're heading to San Bernardino Mountains, Lido Creek to be more exact, and we're gonna be recovering a Tacoma that has been dumped and it's been sitting there in the mountains for quite a while. There's also a Nissan Kicks or Nissan Versa, I'm not sure what that is, that is on the way, so we're gonna have to remove it. And this time we got our friend Hugo, aka Rambo, and he brought his 5-ton to help.
Sí, él se va a parquear por aquí. All right, so we're trying to figure out where the 6x6 is gonna park. And last time we came here, we figured it would be somewhere right there, so he can go straight to the car and pull it sideways. So we'll see right now. ¿O sí?
¿Qué es eso, carnal?
La carrucha del Snatch Black.
Yo mismo tengo unas. Y eso es el día que me agarras de mano.
At this moment, I was just having a little fun with the train.
Okay, so we got a lot of the cable up. Get it ready to go.
A lo mejor, ¿no?
Yeah, I think sí. I think it will. Okay, so I doubt that this is even necessary. However, just for precaution, I got them tied down. I mean, this thing is a heavy machine, and then we got little rods. I don't know what they will do, but we're trying to make it as safe as possible. There goes George, as always. All right, let's check it out on this side. There he goes. Well, that's quite a climb down anyway, climb down. So we got George down there tying down the Tacoma or whatever's left of it. So once he has it secure, we're gonna start pulling. So wish us luck. Trusha, Trusha. Mira. Sí, no manches. Sorry, I'm trying to keep an eye on both things and I'm kind of messing up the video. Échale aguas, Luis. Luis, échale aguas.
O no sé, güey, ahorita esa madre se la sacó a la verga como nada, güey. Entonces nomás que te endereces para que tu línea esté recta como él dice, güey. Ahí nada más chécame las líneas si está derecha para darle.
Okay, for safety purposes, Ryan and George are gonna start to climb up, and it's gonna be all on Rambo and
Saludos, compas.
and the 5-ton. We got them hooked up. We just need to pull them up. We'll see. Okay, sending the ring. Ahí va. All right, so we know this is not safe. We are all, moving away from it. Dale. Parece que ahí está agarrando, pero acá no. Pase.
Problema, no estamos en peligro,
Spider-Man.
estamos fuera.
Spider-Man.
Hey, a mí sí, el Spider-Man, Al otro güey del...
So as you can see, it's like right here. We just need a little bit more line or a rig so we can pull it all the way out. So we'll see right now.
¿Dónde la vas a agarrar, Pino? ¿Así vas afuera?
¿No se arrastra, güey? ¿No se rompe, tío? No. Trucha. Ahí está. Está tallando, güey. It came a long way from down there. Eso es todo. Heck yeah. Eso es todo, Ramón.
El otro carrillo que es no pesa, güey.
All right, round 2. Let's go. Agárrala, güey.
Esa no pica, güey.
A ver, agárrala.
No.
Un high five. Ya no quiere. Ya no quiere caminar.
Hold on, there's a triangle right here.
Ahí viene, güey. Oh, it's coming back. Tarantula offer recovery. Check it out.
La viuda negra.
Vas a mamón, güey, esas no son viudas negras.
¿Estos son?
Sí. There it is.
Perfect. Let's look at that D-ring.
Okay, so we're gonna leave the Nissan here. We're gonna come back for it tomorrow. It's gonna start getting dark soon, and we can only transport one vehicle at a time. And just so you guys know, so Tarantula is fine, you know, we're taking care of the nature too. Vamos a ver. No la asustes, no la asustes tampoco.
Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va.
Ya no hizo nada, ni pedo. Don't worry about it. That's just a BB gun, literally.
Okay guys, as you can see, the Tacoma is out and the Nissan is staying behind. So all of us are going home. Thank you guys for watching our videos, and we'll see you next time.